art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the pumpkin ramp from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started with the stem of the pumpkin right in the center here on the top. Now on both sides of this, on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right, extending that further up. Let's close this off on the top now with a curved line, and then on the inside, curving that over again. Let's step in. We're going to draw in an arch line, tucking that down on both sides. And then we're going to move up from that corner, curving this over, completing that. Let's come down for the eyes now. Just above this line, we're going to curve this down on a diagonal. And then from the inside corner, we're going to bring this line around, tucking that through in the corner. Now from the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out on either side. On the side, again, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal, tucking that line back through. Let's bring this up on a diagonal again towards the eye. And then again, we're just going to bring that out on a small diagonal line. This time we're going to extend this further up on both sides for the corner of the mouth. And then from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line in. Now from here, we're just going to follow the pattern of our lines on the top. Again, bringing this line out. Bringing that back through. Again, another diagonal line coming across. And then just connecting our diagonal lines in together at a point right in the middle. Now let's close off the chin. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We'll step over on the left-hand side, replicating that. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Let's close off the pumpkin head now. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line all the way around, tucking that through on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now let's draw in the ears. So on the left-hand side, curving that out, replicating that on the right. Now from this point, we're going to bring this down and then back in. Let's draw in the ram horns. So coming down on the inside, we're going to curve this in towards the ear. And then we'll continue to tuck this underneath, curving that in towards the body. Now from here, from that point, we're going to arch this all the way around and then back through on the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now let's come in the middle here. We're going to curve this line up on both sides. We'll draw in a small diagonal line coming out, tucking that back through. Now from here, another diagonal line coming out. And then again, we're going to curve this back through and in towards that chin. On both sides again, curving this out and then back up. Moving over, curving this out and back through. Let's extend this out towards the side again, tucking that in. And then one more time, just curving that up and then through towards the chin. Now for the body on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down, ending that at the same height. And then in the middle here, just drawing in a small curved line. For the leg, we're going to arch this line down, bringing that back up. Again, coming across, bringing that out and then through. One more time, curving this out and then up. And then again, just bringing that over and in towards the top. Let's extend this line out, curving that through towards the side there. And now for the leg underneath, we're just going to bend the knee in, curving that through. Now on the back for the feet, we're just going to draw on a small diagonal line coming in towards the middle, leaving a gap. And then we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal again, ending that at the same height. Let's step over, replicating that again, ending that on a slight diagonal. And now from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. Let's draw in a zigzag pattern here. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and then back up. And then again, one more time, bringing this over and through on the side. Now let's draw on the arm. So we're going to curve this line out on the top. Let's step down from this line for the first finger. We're going to curve this around and in. And then now from that point, we're just going to curve this line over. Let's draw on the thumb. So we're going to connect that line together, curving this across, tucking that back in. Let's draw on the center finger now, curving this around and then back over. And then coming down again one more time, curving this down and then through towards the middle. And let's close off the bottom of the hand here, just curving this line over towards the thumb. Let's close off the bottom of the arm. We're going to tuck this around and through. For the hair, we're going to bring this line down and then back in. Again, moving over, bringing this line down and then back up. And we're just going to curve this line in towards the body, finishing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw the pumpkin ram from 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.